Okay, so I'm one of those people that tried to do custom wallpapers on my Honda Civic 2018 on the head unit. And there's so many videos on YouTube, tutorials on how to put those on your head unit. The problem is there's a majority of people out there, I'm reading in the comments, including myself, that's came across this problem. The problem that I'm having, and some of you others are, is the head unit will not recognize any photos in the USB ports. For an example, tried to do this, but the head unit wouldn't detect 3 different USB drives. Does it only recognize a specific USB system? How do I get this to work? And the comments go on and on. Was wondering how Wallpaper thinks, heads up. So it's working for some people and not for others. Let's see if I can find another comment in here. And this is just an example from one YouTuber that did a tutorial, which, you know, he did a great job, but as you can see here, it shows, you know, you put the USB in and you click the gallery. Well, the problem I had is I did that and I struggled for this for like 3 hours, and I tried every format on a USB drive. I reformatted my USB, FAT32, there's 3 or 4 different formats. I tried every one of them, none of them worked. But you do have to use FAT32. That is key, and that's usually the most common USB format, I believe, for pictures. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. But that's what I got, how it worked for me, and I'm going to explain to you how to go about doing that. Okay, so I'm inside my car now and I'm going to show you what needs to be done to get this, just a regular USB. This one's a 2 gig, and I have it formatted to FAT32, and I'll show you how to do that just so that we can cover that base too. It's real simple. But anyhow, when you get in here, and you know, you can change different skins, mine's different, but you're going to go to your settings. There's 2 ways you can do this actually. Go to system, you're going to go all the way over to other, to the bottom, and right here where it says factory data reset. Now if you have Honda Hack Pro or just a regular Honda Hack, you need to make sure that you have your authorization code when you first put the Honda Hack on this head unit, because if you don't have that access key when you reinstall Honda Hack, you're going to have to pay for the Honda Hack Pro again. Make sure you have those in order. Now, if you want to retain the Honda Hack and you don't have that access key, do not do these steps, because you will lose everything. It'll be just like you went and picked this up brand new at the dealership. So you're going to go into factory data reset, and it's going to tell you to reset all settings to the factory default. All personal data will be deleted. So I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. Now, I recommend that you do this in your driveway in an open area, and it's going to tell you all this step by step on the screen after it goes through the reset. It's going to say it needs to reconnect to satellites for GPS, stuff like that. So you need to be out of your garage, you need to be in an open area so that it goes smoothly for you and a lot quicker. Now, the other way that you can access that data reset is you can actually just scroll down from the top of the screen and pick the little settings button up at the top, and then you're going to go down here where it says backup and reset, and it's going to have it right there, factory data reset. Okay, once you reset it, the quickest and easiest way to add wallpapers is obviously like you've seen from other videos. You just change wallpaper. Now if you click on gallery, I don't got anything in there currently at the moment. So what I'm going to do is take this little guy, I'm going to plug it in down here. And it doesn't matter, you can do it up front too, but let's see. Make sure I do this right. I gotta switch hands, I can't see what I'm doing. There it goes. So it's plugged in there. And now it's populated and it's popped back up on my screen. Okay. If I pull it out, it's not there. If I push it in, it's gonna pull it up. So here's my photos that I had put on here. Okay. So it can work for those of you that are having issues not being able to put your own personal wallpapers on here. It can be done. And a lot of the comments and stuff that I've been reading on YouTube and all the different tutorials, these guys that are showing these tutorials, how-tos, they've done a great job, but I think they've hit a wall just like I did, not knowing how to actually fix the problem or how to go about getting that issue resolved with a few people that are having this problem. So hopefully this helps you guys and you'll be able to get it set up the way you like. So I'm not really a YouTuber myself, but I love Honda Civics. I'm a big fan of the 10th gens, and I follow a lot of guys on YouTube and all the mods that they do and things of that nature. So I just wanted to share this for you guys to help you out. Let me know what you think. Comment, see how it goes for you, and if it's helpful, let me know. Thanks. Okay, so just real quick, I ended the last video on showing you how to redo the head unit reset at the factory and getting that issue resolved, but I wanted to just real quick show you how to format in case you didn't know. I'm pretty sure most people do nowadays, but so here's my drive E, my USB. If you right click on it, you're going to go up to format, and then it gives you options right here. Okay, you want to format it to FAT32 if you can. If not, FAT-EX. You can try that one, see if it works. But I know FAT32 works, and it's always worked on FAT32. So that's how you do it. Then you just go down and click start, and then it'll ask, are you sure you want to do that, because it'll delete it, so on and so on. So that's just a real quick tutorial on how that's done. But anyhow, you'll hit start and allow it to do its process, and then you'll close the window. And then when you go back in, you'll have a fresh page with no data in there, and it'll be formatted the way that you need it to be. So good luck, guys. This should work. And enjoy your Hondas. I know I love mine. See you later.